Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. First of all, let's open the camera app, of course, and since we are in the standard photo mode, and you can see it because the photo is highlighted in this bluish color, we can take a look at this option bar which is at the top. And I've accidentally changed this, so let's go back to the photo, and right here on this option bar we've got the timer on the second position from the left. After unrolling it, you can also see it right here on the second position. It's up to you which option you prefer to use. As you can see, we've got three different options. So of course the off option, which is currently applied, but we can set also 3 and 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the particular delay, just tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately highlighted, so we can just roll up the options. The icon will be changed here also, so you can always check which option you've got set, and all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so you can of course turn it off whenever you want to also. As I said, you don't have to unroll the top bar, just tap on this icon, and as you can see it will be immediately crossed out. After tapping on it again, we will have the 3 seconds delay, 10 seconds delay. So if you've got the timer turned off, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.